Once again, welcome you all. Class number 5, solution of non-homogeneous differential equations, type 3. Okay. I think last two classes we discussed about type 1 and 2. So type 1 exponential, type 2 trigonometric, type 3 polynomials. Suppose the right hand term of the given linear differential equation, if it is a polynomial, then how to find the particular integral. That's what we discuss here. And the method of obtaining YC is common. Okay. Now, suppose YP is a polynomial of degree n. Generally, you will be given with a polynomial of degree at most 4. 4 ginta jaasti kodalla usually. So let us discuss the method for n. A0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on an x power n. This is phi of x. As usual, yp will be phi of x divided by f of d. We have to divide the polynomial phi of x by the polynomial d. So that is the way of finding yp. Division of polynomials. To divide a polynomial, you have to write this in this form: b0 b1 d plus b2 d square. See, this you have to write in increasing order of d. The power of d should be increasing. In that way you have to write in terms of increasing orders of d, and this in decreasing order. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ higher degree term ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು higher degree ಇಂದ lower degree term ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So you have to write in that way only. Then divide this polynomial by this. That dividend what you are going to get, that will be the required YP. Okay, let us try to solve problems, then you may understand. Problems A solve the differential equation y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 12x square. Solution. Auxiliary equation is, I'll write the directly auxiliary equation: m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0, and solving this you get the solution of, the complementary function to be c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Now to find yp. So this is the important part. To find yp to be equal to phi of x divided by f of d. Phi of x divided by f of d. Now you have to write this as, see, f of d in increasing order. So I'll write here once again: yp equal to 12x square divided by 2 plus 3d plus d square. Here if you want you can write d square plus 3d plus 2, no problem, but while dividing you must write in increasing powers of d. Increasing powers of d. So here 2 plus 3d plus d square. 2 plus 3d plus d square. Here there is only one term, no problem, 12x square. What the term I have to write here? That term must be like the product of this term with this constant should give you this term. So the best way is divide this integrand, this term 12x square by 2, you get 6x square. That you have to write here. Now multiplying this, 2 times of 6x square, that is 12x square, plus 3d times of 6x square, 3d times of 6x square means, see, 3 into 6 12, 3 into 6 it is right, 18 into 3 into 6 18 into derivative of x square, that is 2x. So you will be getting 36x. 36x plus d square into 6x square. That means you have to differentiate it twice. Now you get 12. Sorry. Now subtracting 12x square get cancelled. So it will be minus 36x minus 12. This is just like having 0 0 here. So minus 36x minus 12. So what the term you have to write here? That is minus 36x divided by 2. That is minus 18x. That you have to write here. Now minus 18x into 2, that is minus 36x. Minus 18x into 3d. So 18 into 3 you get 54. Derivative of x is 1. So plus 54. Oh sorry, there is a minus sign there. So minus 54 it is. Minus 54. Okay. It will be subtracting. So this becomes plus, this becomes plus. 36 6 get cancelled. 54 minus 12, that is 42. Now 42 divided by 2 is 21. That number should be written here. Now 21 into 2 you get 42. 21 into 3d, derivative of 21, 0 into 3. 0 into 3 you get 0. So these two get cancelled. Subtracting get cancelled, you get 0. So yp is 6x square minus 18x plus 21. 6x square minus 18x plus 21. So the general solution is, hence the general solution is y equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus 6x square minus 18x plus 21. Problem B. Problem B. So here the problem B is y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equal to 2x plus x square. Solution. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, right? But this is nothing but m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to minus 1 comma 1. So yc will be c1 e power minus x plus x into c2 e power minus x. Right? Yp. To find yp, yp equal to phi of x divided by f of d. So you get yp to be x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus 2d plus d square, right? 1 plus 2d plus d square. Now come to here. 1 plus 2d plus d square. Here x square plus 2x. Now x square divided by 1, that is x square only. So x square into 1, x square. X square into 2d. So 2 into derivative of x square. So 2x into 2, 4x. Plus second derivative of x square, that is 2. Subtracting, it will be minus x square get cancelled, minus 2x minus 2. Now minus 2x divided by 1, so we get minus 2x. So minus 2x into 1 you get minus 2x, minus 2x into 2d, minus 4 into derivative of x, so it is minus 4. So subtracting, it will be plus plus, so these two get cancelled now. So minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2. 2 divided by 1, that is 2. So 2 into 1 you get 2, subtracting you get 0. So yp equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. So general solution is, y equal to c1 plus c2x, okay, c1 e power minus x plus x c2 e power minus 2x plus x square minus 2x plus 2. Next, C. Problem C. D cube plus 8 into y equal to x power 4 plus 2x plus 1. Solution. M power 3 plus 8 equal to 0. That is the auxiliary equation. Right? Solving this you get different roots. So YC, verify this, it will be c1 e power minus 2x plus e power x times c2 cos root 3x by 2, okay, sorry, by 2 illa, cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x. Okay, to find yp, yp equal to phi of x divided by f of d. That implies yp will be d, okay, x power 4 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 8 plus d cube. 8 plus d cube. Now come to the division part. X power 4 plus 2x plus 1 8 plus d cube. Okay, now what I have to write here? X power 4 divided by 8. X power 4 divided by 8. So multiplying that, 8 and get cancelled, you get x power 4. Okay, then x power 4 by 8 into d cube. X power, okay, 1 by 8 will be outside. Now differentiating x power 4 3 times. So differentiating it 1 times you get 4x cube, 2 times 12x square, 3 times 24x. So you get 3x here. So subtracting, these two get cancelled, you get minus x, that will be carried as it is, plus 1. Now minus x divided by 8, so minus x by 8. So minus x by 8 into 8 you get minus x. Minus x by 8 into d cube you get 0. So subtracting, this becomes plus. Here we will be having no term, so no problem. These two get cancelled, you get 1. So 1 by 8. So yp will be x power 4 by 8 minus x by 8 plus 1 by 8. So this will be the required solution. The general solution is y equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus e power x into c2 cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x plus x power 4 by 8 minus x by 8 plus 1 by 8. Problem D. Problem D. D cube x by dt cube plus 3d square x by dt square equal to 1 plus t. Solution. So the auxiliary equation will be m cube plus 3m square times of x equal to 1 plus t. Right. So the roots are 0, 0 and minus 3. So xc will be c1 e power 0 t plus c2 into t into e power 0 t because repetitive plus c3 into e power minus 3t. So it is c1 plus t c2 plus c3 e power minus 3t. Okay. Now to find xp. To find xp equal to phi of t divided by f of d. So obviously it will be xp equal to phi of t means t plus 1 divided by 3d square plus d cube. 3d square plus d cube. Now come to this. So this actually requires some additional work. Anyway, I will write here 3d square plus d cube t plus 1. Okay. So here what should I write? T divided by 3d square. T divided by 3d square. That means 1 by 3 into second integral of t. You have to write 1 by 3 into t by d square. But 1 by d stands for integration. 1 by d square stands for 2 times of integration. So integrating this twice, first if you integrate you get t square by 2, integrating again t cube by 2 into 3, 6. So it will be t cube by 18. T cube by 18. So that you have to write here. T cube divided by 18. So t cube by 18 into 3d square you get t plus t cube by 18 into d cube. That means you have to differentiate it thrice. So 2 times of differentiation cancels this 2 times of integration. That will give you t by 3. ಹೌದಾ? t by 3 ನ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So it will be 1 by 3. So that actually you get 1 by 3. Or take t cube by 18, differentiate it 3 times. Check whether you get 1 by 3. Then subtracting. So this negative sign t get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 3, you get 2 by 3. Next, 2 by 3 divided by 3d square. 2 by 3 divided by 3d square. So 2 by 3 divided by 3d square. That is 2 by 9 into 1 by d square. So integrating 1 by 1, integrating 1 you get t, because here integration should be done with respect to t. So 2 by 9 into 1 by d times of t. Integrating again 2 by 9 into t square by 2. So get t square by 9 here. T square by 9. So multiplying the t square by 9 with 3d square you get 2 by 3, that cancels. Okay. So xp will be t cube by 18 plus t square by 9. Xp will be t cube by 18 plus 3 t square by 9. Hence the general solution x equal to c1 plus t c2 plus c3 e power minus 3t plus t cube by 18 plus t square by 9. That completes the solution of problem. I think it is D. Yes. Problem E. Problem E. D square y, this is a bit interesting, d square y by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus 6 into y equal to x cube. Solution. Okay, the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. So you get a solution to be minus 2 and minus 3. So y will be, that is yc will be c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 e power minus 3x. Now to find yp. So yp is phi of x divided by f of d. Phi of x divided by f of d. So yp will be x cube divided by 6 plus 5d plus d square. 6 plus 5d plus d square. Now 6 plus 5d plus d square times, okay, sorry, here x cube, what should I write here? X cube divided by 6. So x cube divided by 6. Okay, that you get to be x cube plus 5 by 6 into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. So 3x square, 5 by 6 into 3x square it will be, sorry, I think, okay, sorry for the mistake, it is not x cube, sorry, this is x square, sorry, I thought that it is x cube. Now, okay. Even if you take x cube, that will be one more different problem. That's all. Nothing wrong here. Okay, now it is x square. Okay. X square divided by 6, you get x square by 6. Now multiplying that, you will get x square. Now x square by 6 into 5d. So 5 by 6 into derivative of x square, you get 2x. So 3 ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, so it will be plus 5x by 3 plus differentiating it twice, you are supposed to get 1 by 3. So these two get cancelled, these two will remain with minus 5x by 3 minus 1 by 3, minus 5x by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now minus 5x by 3 divided by 6, that is minus 5x by 18. So we will be getting minus 5x by 3 minus 5x by 18 into 5d. So 25 by 18 into derivative of x, that is 1. So we are going to get 25 by 18 only with negative sign. Okay, again these two get cancelled. So minus 1 by 3 plus 25 by 18, you can check that it will be 19 by 18. Now the term I have to write here is 19 by 18 divided by 6. That is 19 by 18 into 6. That is actually 19 by 108. So 19 by 18, you get 0. So YP is x square by 6 minus 5x by 18 plus 19 by 108. So that is YP. So general solution, hence the general solution Y to be C1 e power minus 2x plus C2 e power minus 3x plus x square by 6 minus 5x by 18 plus 19 by 108. Okay, that is the required solution. Okay, there is one more problem. With that we can wind up this section. So that problem is problem, I think, F. Yeah, this F. D cube y by dx cube plus 2 into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to x cube. Solution. So the auxiliary equation will be m cube plus 2m square plus m times of y, equal to 0, and you can check that yc will be, so roots will be 0, minus 1, minus 1, it will be c1 plus c2 e power minus x plus x into c3 e power minus x. Okay, now to find yp. Yp will be phi of x divided by f of d. So yp will be actually x cube divided by d plus 2d square plus d cube. Now let us come to point. So here I have to write d plus 2d square plus d cube here x cube. Now x cube divided by d, that is you have to integrate x cube, that is actually x power 4 by 4. So you get x cube plus 2d square into x power 4 by 4. So 2 by 4, 1 by 2, multiplication alla. So differentiating x power 4 2 times, 4x cube, and next 12x square. So 6x square plus d cube, that means I had to differentiate x power 4 by 4 3 times. So you can check that it will be 6x. Now subtracting, these two get cancelled. So minus 6x square minus 6x. Minus 6x square divided by d. Minus 6x square divided by d. That is minus 6 into integral of x square, that is x cube by 3. So minus 2x cube. Right? Okay. Now minus 2x cube into d, get minus 6x square. Next, minus 2x cube into 2d square. So that is minus 4, minus 2 into plus 2 is so minus 4 into 2 times derivative of x cube. First time derivative will be 3x square, second time derivative will be 6x. So we get minus 24x. So plus plus, these two get cancelled. You get 18x. Okay, did I forget one more step? Minus 24x cube into 2d square. Yes, I forget this one. Minus 2x cube into d cube. So differentiate it 3 times. You can check that it will be minus 12. That will be carried to next step. By changing sign it will be plus 12. So now 18x divided by d. 18 into x by d. That is integral of x. So x square by 2. So 9x square. Oh, it will be 18x plus next term 2d square into 9x. You can check that it will be 36. Now subtracting. So 18x get cancelled. We will be getting 12 minus 36, that is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by d, that is minus 24x. Minus 24, subtracting it will be plus 24, you get 0. So yp will be x power 4 by 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. Right? So the general solution will be y equal to c1 plus c2 e power minus x plus x into c3 e power minus x plus x power 4 by 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. Okay, with this we shall wind up discussion on non-homogeneous equations of type 3. So there is one more problem. I think the methodology is known to you now. You can solve it easily. So anyway, try to solve this. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 1 plus 3x plus x square. I think I have not solved. Okay, try to solve this. With this, let us wind up our discussion on type 3. Next class we shall discuss type 4. Thank you.